diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks.
What's up, guys? I am back today with another review, and today we have the Air Force One Spring Patchwork. These actually release tomorrow, the May 25th on Nike.com. But I was blessed by Kick Square, who had early access to these, so I actually ordered these, I believe Saturday, and they got here today, a day before they actually release. Pink everything, as you could tell, gang. Alright, let's get right into it. So, they came in just a regular Nike Air Force One box with the stars on the tissue paper. Size 6, obviously not my size. I got these for my girlfriend, as I think these are more of, they're a beautiful shoe, but more of a women's shoe, in my opinion. Like, I wouldn't wear these around. But, so I got it for her, and I'm just going to do a little video right now, so let's get to it. So, their hints of the whole shoe is patent leather. There's like a kind of like an Easter green turquoise patent leather all here, and hints of purple tumbled or leather and pink suede, and then almost like not like a canvas, but kind of like, I don't know what to call it, material on the toe box, as well as the line in the back, and then there's the pink suede for the Nike Air. I'll show you. And the swoosh is a kind of like a nude color suede with a yellow, looks like patent leather, so it pops out more. And then, as you can see on the tongues, instead of it just being the regular Air Force One tag, it has an Easter egg with a check coming out of it, which is a very dope design, and it definitely adds a lot of pop to the shoe. As well as on the inside, on the insole, they have an Easter egg too with the size right there. So, yeah, just an Air Force One for the most part. Oh, and I love the color that they use. It's not, I don't know if you can see, it's not a white. It's kind of like a sail colorway all along the midsoles, as well as the laces and the canvas. And then the aglets are also, this is a nice touch, some like lime metal aglets. So that, see that with the tongue and the whole shoe just really throws it all together, in my opinion. So let me show you some looks. And the qualities on these are very fire. Once again, shout out Kick Square for the early access on these. They actually, I don't know if they still have it up, but they dropped the price on these from $130 to $99, and Nike releases them for $130. But if it's still up, you might want to check it out if you really want these, because you can get these free shipping for $99, which is a steal if you love them, and if you were thinking about getting them anyways. So yeah, since these don't fit me, obviously, my girlfriend's gonna do a on-foot review, or an on-foot show, to show you guys how these look on feet in like an outside environment. Also, pro tip, if your girl's trying to cop these sizes, they do come in men's sizes, obviously. So you're going to want to go a size and a half smaller. So my girl wears a 7.5 in women's shoes, so I copped these in a 6, and they fit her perfect. So, or a size and a half smaller in conversion from women's shoes to men's shoes. Yeah, very dope shoe. Easter's kind of late. It's like beginning of summer, but we'll take it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching.
Shout out to the lords and the gods. In love with my bitch cause she bad. My eyes like the stars. I tell that bitch cover your eyes, cause fucking with me you go blind. She losing her mind. We kiss the Frank Ocean and blind. Convincing my bitch to go blonde. Was born in the dark. I give you, you open my blinds. On yams and that's worth of my mom. Modular mammoth with cases I'm still trying to beat. A bunch of shit from a long time.